Hello guys, welcome to Nora Business Consult. In this video, we are going to take you through the Excel essentials where you will get to know more about Excel. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also click on the notification bell so that anytime a new video is uploaded, you'll be the first person to be notified. Let's get started with Mr. Stephen Kwame Akins.
New job, and with her new role, she'll be working with Excel quite a lot. But the problem is she hasn't been using Excel for quite a long time. So let's help Adole to understand the user interface of Excel and the various tools that will help her grab the fundamental understanding of Excel. I have just opened Excel 2019. So this is how, when you open Excel for the first time, this is how it will look like. But it may be different if you're using a different version of Excel. So when you open Excel, this is how it comes. Then you open to the blank workbook. So when you open a new blank workbook, this is how it look like. So when you open the Excel, we have what we call the ribbon. This is the ribbon, and it contains all the tools you will need to work with. So the ribbon has got different tabs. We have the home tab, we have the insert tab, the draw tab. We also have the page layout, the formula, the data tab, the review, the view tab, the developer tab, the help, power pivot, and the etc. Some of them you may not see it on your interface unless you install it. So let me come back to the home tab. Also, we also have the file tab. This one is quite different from the various tabs. The file tabs open the back page or the backstage of Excel. So when you open it, this is how it looks like. So you can use the file tab to open a blank sheet, to save and to close, and even export to a different file format. There are a whole lot of things you can do over here. So let's say for instance, if I want to open a new workbook, when you open it, it comes like the previous workbook, and if I want to close it, I just come here, close, then it is gone. So let me go to the file again, then I will click on new. So this is what happened. But you can open a file that you already have with using the file by going to open. So when you go to open, it will show you all the recent files you've used before. Then also you can go to your PC and navigate to your desktop or wherever you have saved your file. So my own is on my desktop. So I'll go to my desktop and this workbook, practical workbook. So let me open this, the Excel basics. So now I have opened it. We also have the groupings of the tabs. So when you come to the home tab, we have the clipboard, the font grouping, the alignment grouping, the number grouping, the star grouping, cell editing. So it is same for all the other tabs that you open. So we also have the groupings. So over here below the ribbon tab, I have my quick access toolbar. This can be placed, or you can also find it on top of the ribbon. So over here you can add whatever you want to do. So this quick access toolbar helps you to. So maybe this is the save tab and this is the undo and the undo button. So if I want something done early, or there's a tool that I want to use frequently, I can just add it to the quick access toolbar. So for example, maybe I go to quick access toolbar and let's say I want to add charts. So I'll just click on create chart and I'll click on OK. Then it will be added. So anytime I click on this, I'll be able to create a chart from there. So that's how the quick access toolbar works. So let me close this workbook. Then let me come to my blank come to a blank page. So this is when you open Excel, this is how it looks like. We have this blank page. So this blank page, we have what we call the formula bar. We have the column numbers and the row numbers. So the column numbers are in alphabetical. Then we also have the row numbers, which are in numeric. So at the intersection of the column and the row number is what we call a cell. So when I come here, we have a cell. So, and we also have what we call the name bar or the name box. So this is the name box. The name box displays the cells you are in. So when I come here, I am in cell A1. When I move here, I am in cell B1. When I come here, cell B3, cell C2, cell D4, in that order. So wherever you step, it will determine it. So when I come here, I am in cell L7, in that order. So when you open this, so you see that the Excel is showing me book 2. So book 2, this whole file is what we call workbook. It's what we call workbook. And the workbook has sheet. So this is what we call the worksheet. So we have the sheet. So anytime you open, you see sheet 1. So you can add as many sheets that you want to add. Then down bottom of your Excel, we have what we call the status bar. So this shows, so for example, let me open a file. So open a file. So when I highlight this, see that it will show me the average, the count, and the sum. And you can do other settings to it to show whatever you want to see. So that is the status bar.